let's fix an Instagram ban. Now, if you're on Instagram and you get a message that says your account has been banned, you're going to want to walk through a few different steps to get it fixed, to get it up and running again. I'm going to show you all of that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So if you open up Instagram and you get a message saying, hey, your account has been banned, there are a few different things you can do. The first and the easiest thing is if it gives you a button that says something like appeal the process or, review that decision, something like that. Just go through those steps, go through that process to basically try to unban your account. There are a couple different ways that your account could be banned. One is that you repeatedly did an action that Instagram didn't like. And usually these are temporary bans and you just have to wait until they're lifted. It's usually a day, 2 days, something like that. And it'll automatically be lifted. The algorithm will just say, all right, now you're allowed to get back on the Instagram app. So in that case, a lot of times it's just easiest to wait for that temporary ban to be lifted. But if you're permanently banned on Instagram, you can appeal that decision, and I'll show you how to find that. Top out of here and we'll go into a web browser, and I just typed in Instagram appeal form. And you can see the second option is, do you have a valid ID? And it says, my Instagram account was deactivated. If you believe it was by mistake, you can provide the following information. And the key here is that you can only appeal a ban on your account if you have a valid government ID, like a driver's license, a passport, something like that. So I'm going to say yes here, and then it'll give me the ability to enter my full name, my username, my email address, what country I'm from, and then upload a copy of that driver's license, that government ID. Now, by going through all of these steps, it'll send it over to Instagram. They will review it and they'll get back to you in terms of asking you different questions about what happened. And you can explain all of the things that happened and basically plead your case on why your account should not be banned. Now, keep in mind, Instagram has billions of users. A lot of people get banned on here, so it takes them a while to respond. I wouldn't expect to hear back from them maybe a week to 2 weeks. You should get a response back from them. But keep in mind, it does work. You do get a response back, and this is the best way and only way that you can get your account back if it has been permanently banned. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.